Well, hello friends. This is Katie from Grow Creative. Wondering if you're struggling with getting a nice neat braid. I'd love to give you a few tips. So the first thing is you want to make sure that all your threads have a nice tension to them. When you pull out your third thread, make sure you do it gently. You don't want to pull super hard, where you pull the threads out and you pull the braid up through the Kumi wheel. You want to use a gentle touch when you're pulling that thread around. So watch me do it a few times and watch how with every turn, I just make sure that my threads are nice and tight and that my Kumi braid is right in the center. Good, and keep going like this. Every once in a while, you can check down underneath and look and see how you're doing. Maybe your braid looks really loose, maybe it's super tight. You can adjust based on what you like. And just know that with every Kumi braid, you're going to get better and better, so keep practicing. Okay, until next time, friends, happy crafting!